Have you ever been to the doctor and heard those dreaded words that you suffer from iron deficiency? If you have, this video is for you. Today, we're delving into a common but often overlooked health issue that affects millions worldwide. Get ready to uncover the surprising ways iron deficiency could be impacting your life and how you can reclaim your vitality. But before diving in, let's first address the root cause contributing to iron deficiency or low hemoglobin levels. One primary reason could be insufficient stomach acid. Stomach acid plays a crucial role in the body's ability to absorb iron from the foods you consume. It also helps kill bacteria. When food enters the stomach, the acidic environment helps break down nutrients, including iron, making it easier for the body to absorb. If stomach acid levels are low, this process may be compromised, leading to reduced absorption of iron. As a result, even if a person consumes iron-rich foods, their body may struggle to absorb an adequate amount of iron, potentially leading to iron deficiency over time. Furthermore, low stomach acid can also impact the absorption of other essential nutrients, such as vitamin B12, which is necessary for the production of healthy red blood cells. Vitamin B12 deficiency can also contribute to anemia and exacerbate iron deficiency. Another cause could be heavy menstrual bleeding, often associated with conditions like fibroids, endometriosis, or uterine polyps. Addressing the root cause of excessive bleeding is crucial rather than simply treating the resulting anemia or iron deficiency. Hemorrhoids can also lead to significant blood loss, exacerbating iron deficiency. Digestive issues such as ulcers may further impede iron absorption. Treating ulcers requires attention to dietary choices, including foods rich in zinc, and may be aided by adhering to a tailored regimen. To address these issues, it's essential to improve metabolism and stomach acid levels. Remedies like apple cider vinegar, lemon or lime juice, and incorporating zinc-rich foods can aid digestion and nutrient absorption. Here is how to boost your metabolism and improve stomach acid. Use lemon or lime to balance the acidity of your stomach, which will help with digestion and iron absorption. Drink a mixture of 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water 15 to 30 minutes before meals. Certain dietary choices can aid in maintaining healthy iron levels. Options such as pomegranates, spinach, beetroot, seafood, and meat are particularly beneficial. Chewing food thoroughly before swallowing helps stimulate stomach acid production. Aim for smaller, more frequent meals instead. Nonetheless, it's imperative to prioritize proper digestion by incorporating ample fiber and essential nutrients into your diet. By understanding the complexities of iron deficiency and addressing underlying causes, you can take proactive steps to improve your overall health and well-being. It's important to note that these symptoms can also be caused by other digestive issues or health conditions, so it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional for an accurate diagnosis and appropriate treatment. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this one. See you next time.